Good to see you, everybody. This is Dr. Blumenthal back with you, the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and we have Lala back with us. You may remember her. We did Lala's surgery it's actually been about 15 months at this point. Welcome back, Lala. You look fantastic. Tell us about the experience. How was the year?
Yeah, thank you. It's been great.
Yeah.
This journey has been a great one. Just growing out my hair and just having the awkward stages.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's been a great journey.
Yeah.
But
Awesome. So we actually did the follow-up about a year. Most of it looked fantastic. There were some parts in this kind of the center and the back a little bit that weren't quite completely filled in. So we actually gave it another 2 or 3 months. So this is, I think, around the 15-month mark. And it definitely filled in. And again, what we're shooting for is that 30 to 40% density. You probably got more than that, to be honest with you. I think it looks great. You know, if you looked at it close enough, you could probably tell the difference, that it's not quite as thick as the other areas. But you had mentioned that you had some friends and family mention that there's something different about you, that something looks different.
yeah, they notice.
Yeah.
So it makes me really happy about the results.
Very
that
cool.
People are able to see the change.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, do me a favor. We're going to overlay the before pictures next to you. So I'm just going to have you kind of look down for me. Hold that for like 2 or 3 seconds. Very nice. And then look back up at me, and then pick a side, one way or the other, left or right, and hold that for 2 or 3 seconds. Very good. Other side. Very nice. Man, it is such a difference. It looks great. Would you do this all again, or? Yeah. Okay. The good news is you don't have to, so that's the good news. Very, very nice. It transforms your whole face. Thank you so much for sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully, this helps some other people. And then it looks awesome. Congratulations. All right, Layla. Take care.
Bye.
All right. Bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.